Okay. Oh, don't even have my mic in front of me. All right, I think that's better. We're going to try an experiment real quick. Well, it may not be quick. It may be incredibly painful. It may be incredibly embarrassing. And to which we will then pretend like it never happened. Hey, by the way, I'm Big Man. Let's get you something to look at other than my opening screen. So, hey, I'm Big Man. I'm a game developer. I'm working on Gravitas, and it's a arcade game. But before we get into that, I'm going to try something. It's probably going to be... I don't know, we'll see how this works. Oh man, I didn't fully do my setup for it. Let me see what I can do here real quick. I completely forgot about part of my setup. This will not take long. Just bear with me a minute here. Why did that happen? Give me a couple more minutes. Things are not happening the way I thought they would. Okay. Okay. Think. Why didn't you do that? Yeah, okay. Alright, that didn't do anything. That's not showing anything. What is going on tonight? Oh, I don't have the right thing. I don't have the right display showing. Well, that shows something. What's up, Thunder Bricks? How you doing tonight, man? I thought I'd try to... Oh, dog cam? Oh, man. You will not be disappointed. One second if I can get to it. He is asleep over there. One sec. See if I can do something without disturbing him. Oh, I understand, man. I appreciate it. Well, I was going to turn on a light over near him, but the light isn't working, so never mind. Like everything else tonight, it's kind of busted. But I can move that camera a little bit. One sec. No more. Peanut. I'm doing all right. It's a little dark over there. There's not much I can do about it right now. I'm trying to test something. I was trying to get the game controller working again to see if I can at least try it out. But there are things that are just messing up and I don't understand why. I'm not sure what is going on. Things aren't displaying. Why is that not showing? Oh, we might know why that's not showing. Connected device not displaying. He rolled out. Okay. Let's see. Well, let's have to, check that out. Give you something to look at while I'm trying to fix some technical difficulties here. I need to put some party time banners up there when they show up. Okay, so that fixed that. The party army. That fixed that, but that's not what I wanted to show. Okay. Okay. What the heck just happened? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, we got it. It messed up all my other screens, but it's working. Okay. Let me check some other things. Okay. We're good on one end. All right. The next part. Uh-oh. Don't crash. Don't crash. Don't crash. Okay. We're looking okay. Not sure my next move here. Everything's saying it's connected. Oh, why is that up there? Come on back here. Okay, let me get rid of these guys for a little bit, because I need to. Look at something. That's not what I want to get rid of. Okay. Okay. That's working. Oh, why did I do? Now I get to start over. Let's start over. Okay. All right. That's one thing. Let's figure out what's going on over here. Okay. That's connected. All right, and last thing. Oh, what am I missing? What am I missing? What am I trying to set? I'm trying to set the game controller. I'm trying to like. I made some changes. I'm trying to fix the issue with the Twitch lag on the game controller. So for people who don't know, who are watching, I tried an experiment where I tried to do a extension in Twitch that lets you control a game on my machine. Because what I wanted to do was say like you could play XCOM 2 as a team. Like it will switch between the players and it will switch between the chatters. So each chatter has a player. I got it partially working, and so I made some changes. And now I'm trying to test those changes, but I probably should have spent more time on this setup before I went online. I just wanted to try it out. I really wasn't going to do this tonight. Like, I really just wanted to try it out real quick, see if my changes worked. If things failed, I would just be like, oh, okay. That's it. We're done. Move on. But having a couple difficulties here. Okay, so we got our picture-in-picture going. Okay. All right, and I guess let's try it. I guess let's go ahead and start a game. Oh, well, you don't need to hear this. We'll give you this sound. I'll turn it down a little bit. I feel like it's loud. Don't tell me it's broken. Oh, okay, never mind, it's broken. I've seen this before. It's when things reset. When like the graphics card resets or something. So the buttons aren't where they say they are. Oh, good grief. Okay. All right, let's just... I'll just crash it out real quick. Don't mind me. Let's try this again. What if I have to start over completely? Probably just go ahead and reset everything. Start over. think it did it again. Oh, no, okay. Okay. Now, what is going on? It's not doing anything. My connections aren't connecting. Okay, there we go. So, client's connected. We'll restart the local app. And that breaks it. Okay, this isn't gonna work tonight then. For some reason when I start up the local app, it breaks the game. All right, so let me just clean that off. We're not gonna work on this tonight. I'm gonna have to figure that part out some other time. Most likely I've got too much going on or some kind of crazy mess like that. All right, we'll get back to our regularly scheduled programming. Just shut all this stuff down. It's a bit disappointing, but that's what experiments are sometimes. Okay. And you know what? Did I have Unity open when I was doing all that? I did. I probably shouldn't have had Unity up. We'll try that some other time. We'll take it into account some other time. Let's get us back. Let's get us set up here. I thank everybody that stuck around for that. Hey, leave your starting screen up the whole time. Hey, so I just didn't want you to see the mess that I was doing. because I was trying an experiment with my game controller, and it failed spectacularly. Yeah, that extension where you can control the game through the Twitch extension. Because I had worked on, I might as well bring up the other screen now that I don't have that up anymore. Excuse me. I had actually, I had actually made some progress on getting around Twitch lag. I got the, I had 2 versions of the stream using web RTC, and in my local test, it was near time visuals, like near real time visuals. I was so excited when I got that working. I was like, oh, when I had that working locally, I was like, whoa. It blew my mind. So that's what I was testing. I had 2 implementations of that in the extension to try out. But for some reason, every time I started the controller application, the local control application, it was crashing the game. Yeah, yes. I don't know what that was. I wonder though if because I had Unity up. So I may give it another try another night, but I don't want to sit here too long on that. But tonight, I'm gonna work on getting some the effects going here. That so before I changed over to the URP pipeline, like these had effects on them. These had lights on them. When you destroyed stuff, there was a flash. Like I kind of broke all that. And so I want to start working on getting those things set back up. Well, I thought I'd get some better glows out of it and stuff. And I was because I want this to be on mobile in some fashion. So I figured I wanted a pipeline that was used with mobile. Just use Bloom. Oh, you take it easy, Tons. Oh, okay. Okay. Bloom. I'm not familiar unless I'm thinking of it as a different name. Unity Bloom effect. Oh, post-processing. Okay. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I had done some of that. I just wasn't satisfied with it, I guess. And maybe that's just me not knowing enough. But I figured I could get some like richer effects out of the URP. I'm guessing the default render engine that does support mobile. I'm sure it does. But when I looked at the engines, I was like, I want something that's going to give me rich effects and can be done on mobile. You ain't standard pipeline? Okay, I got you. What 2 games, by the way? I think we had talked about this before. You just need to use mobile optimized shaders. Okay. Do you have a suggestion of something I can look at? Well, I'm guessing you were talking about standard pipeline instead of now URP. That's right, we did talk about that. We did. Oh, Yes. By the way, I should. Because everybody needs to play your next game coming up, Find and Fern, because that looks good. But yeah, do you have any references I can look at then for like Bloom? And did I delete it? Okay. Oh, this first game you can be proud. I got it. Because I had post processing on the other game, and I switched that one to HDRP. But I feel like that one is definitely going to need it with some of the effects I'm going for. Basically, mobile shaders are simple. You just use it. You just have a texture at normal map. You don't use them. Talent. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're just using like you're using GIFs like in most 2D games and stuff. I've seen them use like lighting that's just like transparent GIFs and stuff like that. Is that what you're talking about? See, there was a flash there when I made contact. What do you mean 3D objects? I mean 3D objects. Well, right maps, talent maps. But your game is Tech 2D. Well, these are. So you just use sprites. Sprite shader and done. It's already mobile optimized. Drawing effects, but highly doubt you'll use them. I'm just sitting here thinking about my options here. I'm trying to, because this is supposed to activate when this when these get destroyed. I'm trying to see what happens to it real quick. Change instruction. Light. Looked at this stuff. Wow. Oh. I had a material too. So I move it into this position where the mouse was. Intensity, Set for half a second. I gotta pick up somebody's firing fireworks. Sorry. Turn off the mic for a second. Somebody's firing fireworks in the neighborhood. This timeout is used. Just not disable it and see what happens. Okay. Oh, that's one of the reasons is because that's the end of the level. So of course you wouldn't see it. Well, actually, no. If you, okay. Let's just try to destroy something, see if we see it. Okay. So it did, it definitely did something. Gotta take care of something, guys. We're back in a little bit. All right, guys, I've got an emergency that popped up, so I'm going to go ahead and raid you out to someone. Give me 1 second here, because I've got to end and I got to go take care of some stuff. But I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you, Ton of Bricks. Thank you, That Man Robin. Really appreciate you guys. And the lurkers. Sorry for the short stream.